Hello and welcome. This is Rafy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to collect leads information including their business and personal email addresses for any given company list. And as you can see here, I have received the biggest company list ever from one of my clients, and we have got 30 days to complete the task. And as you can see here, we have got over 66,000 plus companies for which we have to collect their chief marketing officer, head, vice president or director of marketing officer's name, their current job title. We have to collect their LinkedIn profile, then business email address, which is really important field, and then if possible additional email addresses including personal email address. So we have got few team members and they're all ready, and we have got 30 days of deadlines to complete this project, and it is a huge project for all of the team members, and I'm really excited. So now, to complete this whole project in less than 30 days, it is going to be kind of complex, but it's okay. We are going to do manual collection of these fields, and for collecting business email address, additional email addresses, we are going to use some paid tools. So it is going to make our work process efficient and faster. So, and obviously I'm going to be careful about the email address collection because the client's most important data field is the email address. So we are going to take the valid email addresses for almost all of the companies. Okay, and I'm going to show you how. So let's move on. We are going to start collecting the information, and you can see like how long it takes to get data for one contact. So for instance, let's just open up the first company in a new tab, and we mostly going to use LinkedIn, which is going to help us get the job faster. So first of all, let's just copy this domain name from here, and we can basically try finding the leadership team or the team members of this business from their website. So let me just take you here on the bottom of the page, and from leadership we might going to find some information, our story. Yeah, leadership team, as you can see here, I'm seeing founder, CEO, president, chief of operating officer, strategy officer, revenue officer, and financial products. Yeah, just take a look. Here we go. Anything who is the senior vice president of marketing. So we are getting this information from the official website of the company. So this is a valid information. And here, as a bonus, we are getting the LinkedIn profile added as well. So I'm going to open up the LinkedIn profile as well to verify the information if they are currently holding this role. So let's see. Yeah, just take a look. Senior vice president, marketing and growth. That's a fantastic move. So I'm going to copy this profile URL from here and let me paste it here. After that, I'm going to copy the person's name and anything, and here we go. And after that, I'm going to provide the title. So let's go a little bit down. We can simply copy the title from the website or from the LinkedIn page. It's okay. So I'm going to go back. After that, let's put the title. And now it's time to find the email addresses, and I'm going to use for this project, mostly we are going to use SalesQL, Hunter.io and LeadLeaper. So let's try SalesQL here. So I'm going to click on this LinkedIn profile, and after visiting the profile, we can see on this extension, I'm seeing an indication here. And after, just take a look. The details appeared here, and as you can see here, these email addresses are valid for this person. So now I'm going to click on this copy email for the personal email. So let me take you here. We have got the personal email field, then we have got business email field here. So let's go back. I'm going to click here and let's click on this one. As you can see, the email address is valid because I'm seeing this status, or actually this signs. And as I've been using this tool for quite a long time, I know when they are being able to verify any email address, they are going to provide these signs, and if they are not being able to verify any email address, they are going to show us a yellow sign. So let me show you the real example here. So if I take you here on my profile, let's click on this, and after that, if I click on this tool and if I simply click here, you are going to notice I have got this email address, which is my email address, the valid one. But if you just notice these email addresses, which are azharul@upwork.com. So I am working on Upwork as a freelancer. I don't have an email address like this. So this is not the correct email address. And if you just notice, they are not being able to verify the email. So they are showing us this sign. And for this information, azharul@youtube.com, this is an invalid email. So they are showing this sign. So they just guessed and provided us this information, but these are not valid. So they are providing us these marks. But whenever they are being able to verify an email address, we are getting these signs. So that means the data we are getting from the resource are actually valid. So let me just cross this out. We have found one contact information. Let's go for the next website. And we are going to go to the bottom of the page to see if we can find details about the company. So let's open it up and let's see. Yep, founder and CEO. Then we have got Chief Operations Officer, Vice President Operations. Here we go, Gina something. So she is the Global Marketing Officer. So I'm going to copy her name from here. Let's go back. After that, I'm going to type the information here. After that, I'm going to copy her profile, or actually details from here. Let's click on this, paste, and let me see if I can get her LinkedIn profile from a Google search. I'm going to type out LinkedIn, hit enter, and here we go. The LinkedIn profile, I'm going to open up her profile, and you can see Senior Vice President of Marketing at Mo. So this is the right profile of the person you're looking for. So I'm going to copy her profile URL from here. Let's paste the information, and then we're going to collect the business and personal email. So let's click on our extension, and I'm going to attach the extension link into the video description for sure. So here we go. We are seeing two other emails. These are valid as well. So I'm going to copy the work email first. Let's go back. I'm going to provide it or paste it on the business email. Then let's go back to the LinkedIn profile. We're going to copy the personal email address from here as well. So let's go back, and here we go. All right, now let's try the next company. And I'm going to cross this out. Riot Games, and let's see if we can, who we are about Riot. Say let's open the about page. All right, so our story, Riot Games, legends, okay. Our values, no team mentioned, no worries. Social impact, we are global, no worries. Work with us. So I didn't see any company page. Here we go, leadership. So I'm going to open up the leadership page, and I'm seeing LinkedIn page as well. So I'm going to open up LinkedIn profile as well, and let's see on company leadership if we can find the marketing contacts: Chief People Officer, Chief Diversity Officer, Executive Officer, then Financial, Co-founder, President, Entertainment, Sports, President, General Counsel, Head of Global Corporate Tips, something, okay. Game leads. Let me type out Control F or Command F. Nope, it is not working. So Command F. All right, no problem. Let me just go manually. Let's see if we can find any contact for marketing. Director, Officer, Design Officer, no problem. Co-founders. No marketing contacts added on the website. No worries, we can simply visit their LinkedIn page, and from people we are going to select, let's say, search employees by title. I'm going to type out marketing and hit enter, and let's see. Wow, from marketing they have got around 1,000 plus employees. Awesome. So Global Marketing Creative, Global Head, Sport, Vice President. Okay, so I'm going to open up Vice President's Marketing. Okay, Director. Actually, Head of Marketing, there are many people. I'm confused, like which one should I take? So in this case, okay, so here we go. Chief Marketing Officer, the senior person I have got. So I'm going to open up his profile, and from here I'm going to copy his profile. Let's go back, paste his profile, and let's just copy the details. Here's the name. Then we're going to copy the title from here. Let's go back, paste it, and now let's click on this extension. And after that, here we go, we are getting the email address. For your information, as you can see here, we are not getting this business email valid. So we can simply keep this. Let's copy the email address, and we can mark this with some color, or we can add a comment here. Let's add a comment. Not verified. Okay, so that our client will know that this email is not verified. And after that, what I'd love to do, I'd love to simply click on this extension again, and let's copy the personal email address. Let's go back, which is the valid email address. Okay, so if these emails are not valid, they will be able to reach out to the person by this email address. So this is how me and my team members are going to complete this task within the next 30 days. Okay, so this was it, guys. I believe you have found some information, some value from this video, like how you can collect leads information, including their email addresses for any given company list. And I believe you have found this video helpful. If you have got any further question, please feel free to let me know by asking below. And if you want me to work on your project, if you want our team to work on your project, please let us know by sending an email. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.